Why are you looking at me? That's my doggy. Anyways, it's Saturday again. I got my refrigerator and it's hooked up. She's right here. I'm gonna take off all the tape. They said I had to throw away the water, 3 water and 3 ice. So, but this is her. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. That bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell her put the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark mood. Go. I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice.
1 hour later.
So guys, let's do a quick Amazon unboxing. All these. Let's go. So we're about to open some Amazon boxes. Let's see what we got. Oh, I know what this is. This is, oh, I opened it the wrong way. These are, oh, I was correct. These are my spices, my spice jars. Right here. I got these off Amazon. They come with labels and then a little funnel. I'm gonna have to get some more because I have more spices than this. These are storage containers. I got 24 piece. Got these off Amazon as well. I'm not gonna take everything out. 24. Let's see what it is. I got some chocolate. I was craving some chocolate. Who loves these chocolate? And I needed a new car holder for my phone. So this is it. I got these off Amazon. But I am doing an Amazon haul, right? Damn. Let's see what this is. Hold on. Okay, this is for my utensils. So cute. Cute, cute. Box in a box. Labels. And, oh, these are the oil things. These are the oil or vinegar containers. I'm excited. Are these pretty? Are these so pretty? These are a set of 2, so these are nice. It's a big box. Some glass cleaner. Oh, I know what this is. This is the cheese thing. Yeah. Oh, nice. This is the handle. I gotta put it on. And what is this? What is this? So big. What is this? Oh yeah, this is for storage for my refrigerator. Storage containers. Okay. This is nice. Okay, so I'm not gonna open everything. We're gonna be doing refrigerator stock and storage, so you'll see when I open it. This is cute. And what is this? Oh, this is the acrylic cutting board. Oh, it's big too. Okay, it has a film on it. I gotta remove it right here. It's big. Okay. This is nice. I got one more big box. Dog food, puppy, my doggy. Sponge from my kitchen. And what is this? Oh, this is a storage for my I could put bacon or deli meat inside of it. Open it. But anyways, here it is. So cute. Cutesy. Got another box. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this I could store like veggies, carrots, apples, grapes, or like fruits storage. And this is the mat for my my little bar area, a rug I should say. It's sealed right now. I'm not gonna open it because it's gonna get too big. But yeah. That's the haul for now. I have some more stuff coming, so I'll do another one. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. I'll talk to you guys. Bye. So I'm back. what am I saying? I thought I was finished with the Amazon haul, but I have some more things that I had upstairs, so I'm gonna show it. I think I'm also going to add the SHEIN haul in this vlog as well. So I had some more things, so let me just open them real quick. So this is a spinner. Cleans your salad, whatever, fruits, I guess salad. What it looks like. And then it has the head. What is this? Oh, these are funnels for my oil bottles, so I could put it in. These are collapsible. I'm not gonna take it out. Let me see. Maybe I could take one out. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. Oh goodness. Oh, it's cute. So it collapses. Okay. That's that. And then this box. Richer. These are my pots. This is just a small set for now. Later on I'll get some more. But it's just me, so I think it should be okay. Ooh, it's nice. Oh wow. That size. Right here. Oh, it's cute. This is the lid. Ooh, it's pretty. I see. And then it has the handle that goes right here. How cute. Where's the handle? Okay, this is the handle. Let's see. Okay. So I guess it goes like this, right? Ooh, super cute. Ow. So that's the Amazon haul for now. We're gonna do some SHEIN. I ordered some kitchen stuff from SHEIN as well, so let's see the quality. Damn. SHEIN, how am I supposed to take these out? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh gosh. I'll put this back. What is this? Oh, this is for a towel, like a towel rack. All right. Okay, not bad. I bought 2 different colors just in case. Same, this is another gold. And I also bought silver because I wanted to see, you know, the difference. Oh, not silver, black. Oh, the black is nice. Oh, the black is nice. Comment below, what's your favorite color? The black or the gold? This is the other black. So I'll leave that there. Oh, this is the towel holder. I guess I gotta put it together, but just simple towel holder. I gotta put it together. Let's put this over here. These are dish black and white. How cute. Super cute. Yes. Got some little containers. It's cute. I got 4. They're cute. Alright. What is these? What is this? What is these? Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, this is nice. This is, I'm gonna put a picture so you can see what it is. It's like you put your juice, your soda, and you could just slide it. Ooh, cute. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, SHEIN. This was from a sponge. What the hell? I don't know. I gotta figure it out, I guess. Last piece. So the theme for my kitchen is white, gold, and black. What the heck? Oh, this is for my eggs. I guess it goes in here and go there. When we set it up, we'll figure it out. So that's it for the haul. Amazon and SHEIN. Thank you guys. Talk to you later.